These crochet scrunchies are soft and fluffy. This is a beginner-friendly project and uses basic stitches. I'll show you how to achieve the puffiness step by step. Let's get started. For the materials, I'll use acrylic yarn, 5mm hook, scissors, yarn needle, stitch markers, and the elastic hair tie. The first step is to make a slip knot. Next, I'll attach the slip knot to the elastic hair tie and make a single crochet stitch. Mark the first stitch. For this entire round, I will work a single crochet around the hair tie. Slide the stitches together so that the elastic is well covered. Also make sure your stitches are not too tight for easy sliding. Continue working single crochets all around, and I'll meet you towards the end of the round. Before closing the round, check that the elastic is not twisted. Now slip stitch into the first single crochet to end the first round. Chain 2 to start round 2. Now add 3 double crochets in the same place as the chain 2. Mark the first double crochet. Move to the next stitch and add 3 double crochets. Next stitch, 3 double crochets. So this is what we are going to repeat for all the stitches around. As you work more stitches, the ruffles start to form, as you can see. I'm going to work 3 double crochets in the last stitch. Then slip stitch into the first double crochet to close the round.
All right, here we go. This is gonna be something. Yeah, you feel that?
Chain 1, leave a tail to weave in later. Cut the yarn, pull through and tighten. I prefer to use a different yarn color for the next round. I'll go ahead and use this green yarn. Insert your hook anywhere and attach the green yarn. Chain 2 to start round 3. In the same space as the chain 2, add 2 double crochets. Mark the first double crochet. Move to the next stitch and add 2 double crochets. Two double crochets in the next stitch. Next stitch, 2 double crochets. Add 2 double crochets in the next stitch. So continue to work 2 double crochets in all stitches around. Add 2 double crochets in the last stitch. Then slip stitch into the first double crochet to close the round. Chain 1, leave a tail, cut the yarn, pull through and tighten. Our next step is to weave in all the yarn tails using a yarn needle. This is our final work. It looks beautiful, puffy and soft. If you found this tutorial easy, please leave a comment below and like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy beginner crochet projects. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.